he's not eating again, and I feel like I'm failing. I don't know what's wrong. He's 3 years old. He should be hungry. He should be eating normally, right? I don't get it. It's making me really, really frustrated. Like, he shouldn't be, not eating. He should be eating. He's a brand new human being. Now, watch what you're saying right now. See what you just said. He shouldn't be having XYZ. He shouldn't be having problems because he's young, because he's new. Whatever. That's not real. Remember how you told me how you hated when your family made assumptions about you because they didn't understand what was going on? Like when you had your health problems, when you couldn't get out of bed and they just said it was all in your head, or you just go out and walk, go for a run, go outside, and you couldn't get out of bed without my help. Remember that? Remember when you also struggle with eating too. Sometimes things just happen. Sometimes you're in a weird routine. There's a reason for it. Maybe there's not a reason for it. Either way, that's the reality, right? What if he's just not hungry right now? But listen to me, okay? You're not failing. You're doing great. He's just learning. He's learning, and it's okay, okay? But yeah, let's not assume that just because he's little, he can't have eating issues, like there's that. I don't think he has eating issues, but whatever he's feeling, he does. It's up to us to figure that part out. It's up to us to have patience with him and to just slow down and try to figure out what's going on. Then we can fix it. Okay? We got it. We got this. Don't think too hard on it. You know what? Yeah, you're right. I really can't believe I forgot about that. I hated that. I hated being told how I was feeling, or that what I was feeling was simply wrong. It feels weird, even now. We are breaking the cycle, and we're doing better. We're gonna be more patient. I'm gonna be more patient. What can I do instead? First I'm gonna check how he's doing. We could go outside, and I can bring park snacks. Cause park snacks and changing the scenery is a good idea too. Yeah, I like the idea of like leaving snacks out and having stuff prepared. But if he's not eating, then that's a problem. I also know that he sees me, and if I'm not eating for whatever reason, or if I forget to eat, maybe he forgets to eat too. Maybe he forgets to eat too. Like, who am I? Like, that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm getting emotional. I don't know why I'm getting emotional. Why are you getting emotional? Because I'm doing the work.